No matter how big social media grows, and no matter how good your content, there is nothing quite like a clever, targeted email campaign to grow business. Email marketing is great for getting specific, detailed information out there, for introducing customers to a new product line, nurturing leads, or providing excellent after-sales service. Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post. Number 1. The why. The first of your B2B email marketing best practices is to sit down with your marketing team and work out what you want to achieve with your email marketing campaigns. Do you want to grow your global reach? Are you trying to push sales? If so, in short bursts or sustain sales? Do you want to redirect people to your website? Is your plan to nurture existing clients? The best B2B emails are those that are created with a specific purpose in mind, which guides everything from selecting an audience to creating content, through to email frequency. Number 2. The who and where. Once you understand your email marketing campaign's purpose and goals, you need to establish who your audience is going to be. This could be a short list of current customers, to a long list of as yet to be determined people in specific demographics, geographies, industries, and so on. But it's more than just selecting specific types of people. You need to do enough research to understand your audience's pain points, requirements, and how they interact with email. The who covers identifying and understanding the people you will be talking to. Number 3. The when. When you've successfully determined your audience, it's time to work out the frequency of your emails. Managing email best practices includes setting out a clear schedule of how often you will communicate with your audience and what the structure of the communications will be. For example, for a nurturing campaign, you could decide to send a monthly newsletter-style communication to keep in touch, and every third or fourth month include a special offer or a soft sale. Number 4. The what. Next, you need to start creating the content. This can include setting up email campaign templates, email marketing design, or simply writing your marketing emails. This is the 4th step in a B2B email campaign because your content will be guided by the previous 3 steps. You need to speak to the right audience, take into account the contact schedule, and make sure you are achieving your objectives to generate the best B2B marketing campaigns. Number 5. The what happened. There is a final step in any email campaign that is absolutely critical: analyzing the data from your campaign. Sometimes even the best campaign won't succeed, and sometimes a quickly planned one will be hugely successful. Some of the best examples of content marketing come from the email marketing space. What are your thoughts on why email marketing is still so popular? Leave a comment. I read everyone.